Hello everybody, welcome back to a new tutorial. In today's video we'll be going over how to buy the Volt INU token using the Pancakeswap. As you can see, the Volt INU right now is doing insanely well, so this could be a chance for you to make some crazy insane gains. But yeah, with that said, this is no financial advice in any way or any form, so try to stick around to the end of the video and let's get started already. So first of all, head to pancakeswap.finance or Google just Pancakeswap. You're gonna be greeted with this home page right here. Go under the trade section, the swap section. This is where we're gonna swap our BNB for the token that we want. Second of all, make sure you have MetaMask or any of the supported wallets by Pancake available on your browser, as you can see right here, or wherever you're using it. As you can see, if I scroll down, there's a lot of wallets that are supported, so I'm gonna just choose MetaMask here and I'm gonna connect it automatically. And if I click max here, it's going to show my balance of BNB, as you can see. And yeah, you guys get the idea. It's going to be a very simple, very straightforward tutorial. So for the BNB, make sure to buy it from trusted exchange like Coinbase, Binance, Qcoin. All of those exchanges are available, and then make sure to transfer that BNB to your MetaMask wallet, or in case you're using, as I said, Binance, is going to be a very simple process. But yeah, with that said, let's get started into it. So the second thing you're going to have to do is go to CoinMarketCap, search the token you want. So first, in this example, is going to be Volt INU. So this is the contract address, but this is Ethereum. So keep in mind that Pancakeswap works with the Binance Smart Chain, not the Ethereum contract. So basically, I'll click on more, and I will find BNB Smart Chain. I'll copy the address, and then I will be able to change it for the cake token right here, and I'm going to paste it right here. Click import, click I understand. Make sure you copy this from coinmarketcap.com, as there is some phishing pages that may make you buy another token, which will be a scammy token or something like that. But yeah, swap it. As you can see, you just click swap and you will be able to swap it. With that said, tell us what you think all about all of this comment section. Tell us what other tokens you want to see, and yeah, I hope you all have a great rest of your day.